Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their AKG DMS800 microphone to avoid interference? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect receiver. Connect the DSR-800 receiver to your network using a Cat5e or higher cable. This connection is crucial for using Dante to reduce interference. Step 2. Install software. Download and install the Dante controller software to your computer. Use it to manage and set up your audio network efficiently. Step 3. Set up frequencies. Use the quick setup function on the receiver to scan and assign the best interference-free frequencies. Step 4. Position antennas. Position the antennas safely and ensure a clear line of sight between the receiver and transmitter for optimal performance. Step 5. Sync devices. Synchronize the transmitter and receiver using their infrared sensors within 10 centimeters for secure, interference-free audio communication. With these steps, your AKG DMS800 should now operate smoothly without any interference. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other AKG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.